Hi friends, in this we are going to discuss the experimental designs. Before going through the exact experimental designs, first we need to know why these experimental designs are useful. Why we need these things? Why we have to do? Because field trials are conducted to test the superiority of one factor over other. Means that if we are conducting any experiment, means we took some we will take some uh, values by the treatments of the treatments, and we need to check which is superior and which is inferior, which is superior or other, like this. To do such things we need experimental designs, because we use many treatments in the experiments, so we should must know that which is very important or which is superior, which is helpful for us. And for this purpose we are going to do the experimental designs. And in order to get this satisfactory proof of the slight difference between the treatments, the field trials have to be carefully planned and executed. To get proper results, satisfactory results, we need to carefully plan the designs, which design we have to use, and the planning should be perfect. If not, our experiment will be vanished. And in the field experiments, soil and seasonal heterogeneity are the main problems that we are facing. These are the main two problems. The seasonal heterogeneity can be eliminated by repeating the experiment in different localities, by which we have removed the seasonal heterogeneity. And soil heterogeneity could be minimized by adopting principles of field experimentations. Coming to experimental design, right now we are coming to experimental designs. Various forms of plot arrangements to suit the experiment requirements of the particular problems have been evolved and are known as experimental designs. As I said, various forms of plot arrangements to suit the requirements of the particular problems have been evolved are known as experimental designs. In general terms, the how we are going to arrange plots, how we are going to arrange the plot according to our problems. This is called experimental designs. Various forms, which forms we are going to use, it's called experimental designs. And there are two, the experimental designs are grouped into two categories: systematic design and randomized design. Coming to the systemic designs, these designs involve the arrangement of treatments in a systematic order but not in random manner. In this system of experimentation was existed prior to introduction of modern experimental designs. This is old experimental designs. Now we hardly use this systematic designs, and these are exploratory and hypothesis testing. These are systematic design. In this systematic design, whatever the plots we are going to use, these are not in random manner, in an easy way fashion, like a traditional classical fashions. We'll study of these things like this. In this, these are all arrangements: A B C, A B B, and these are systematic designs. In this, we can see systematically we have design not in a random manner, haphazard manner. And advantages of this design are simple layout for execution. See, we can easily simply layout, anyone can do such things. Convenient for carrying out cultural operations. We can convenient for any two cultural operations. The main disadvantages are there is no valid estimate of error. Treatments are not compared at the same level of precision, and not possible to eliminate soil heterogeneity. hence results are not accurate. These are the main drawbacks, like the results are not accurate, and we cannot eliminate solve heterogeneity, and treatments are not compared at the same level of precision. There is no precision, and we cannot estimate and there is no valid estimate of error. These are the drawbacks. Coming to the randomized designs, most of the disadvantages what are faced during the systematic designs, in this those will be overcome. We can minimize those disadvantages. In these designs, the principles of randomization, local control are introduced, and the analysis of variance techniques can be followed. Principle of randomization and means randomly arrangement of plots, and local control are introduced, and the analysis of variance can be followed. Randomized designs are used in the present day research as they are most accurate. Examples of randomized design are, as I said, these are present day doing one, and these are newly followed, and these randomized designs are followed recently. Most of them will follow these things. Examples for randomized designs are completely randomized designs, CRD, randomized block design, RBD, or randomized complete block design, RCBD, or for single or multi-factor experiment. Latin square design, LSD. In this, number of replication is equal to a number of treatments. Split plot design, two-factor, either main and subfactor or sub-subfactors. Split plot design, strip plot design, lattice design, and confounded designs. These lattice design and confounded designs are complicated and are not included. Usually these are very much complicated designs one. So we'll discuss these all CRD, RCBD, LSD, split, these things in for the next video. Please subscribe our channels. As I said, randomized designs. As I said, in randomization, A may be there here. In this, B will be there. In this, A will be there. Like A, C, B, or A, C, A, B, C, like this. Only randomized will be there in a haphazard manner. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel. Stay tuned for further videos of CRD, RCBD, LSD, split plot designs. And one more thing, ideal characteristics of these experimental designs are: it should be flexible, efficient, minimize bias, maximize the reliability of data, and smallest experimental error. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.